Do you sprain your ankles all the time like me? I'll be walking down a path like this, look up, I'll hit the edge of it, my ankle just completely goes over. Swelling for 3 or 4 days, takes me 2 weeks to get back to sport, you know the story. Unfortunately, about 30% of ankle sprains turn into what we might call chronic instability, which just means you keep rolling all the time. And some of you might even get to a point where you keep rolling and it doesn't actually hurt your ankle anymore, it just swells up. I want you to know you can get that better. Lots of lateral hopping drills, and something that really helped me was changing from a really cushiony high drop shoe to a slightly flatter shoe. Sticking with my rehab for 4 to 6 months, doing those proprioception and hopping drills a lot, and a really crucial exercise that I wasn't introduced to until late in my physio career was actually hopping and walking along an uneven surface like the edge of a rope or the edge of like a foam doorstop or a foam pool noodle, getting comfortable landing on that and walking along it with your ankle in this position like ready to roll, but your body saved you from going back. So stick to it, you can do it, you can stop rolling your ankle, you can reduce your time injured. If this sounds like you or you need any help or you want more specific advice for your injuries, niggles or ankles, leave a comment, we'll do a video for you.